Hey everyone, David here with Wolverine Arms. Just wanted to show another project that we got done today. It's a Staccato CS. It's the compact version of the Staccato. We did a chunk port in the front and relocated the front sight just to the rear of that chunk port. Did some nice edges on it and a 30-degree angle in on the chunk port. So that's pretty nice. Everything lined up perfectly. Also did some porting inside the serrations on each side and then Cerakoted the whole side back to black. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments, but feel free to reach out if you have a project that you want us to get done for you.